Hi everybody, this is Jim, and I want to welcome you to our summer course, ALEC 202, Foundations of Leadership Theory and Practice. And I want to take a few minutes and highlight the syllabus and the structure of the course as we get started. This is Foundations of Leadership Theory and Practice. That is Leadership Theory and Practice by Peter Nordhaus is our textbook, the 8th edition. And this course is designed to help you understand the relationship between leadership theory and leadership practice. So if you look in the syllabus on the course objectives, you will see that we aim to introduce and describe the major theoretical approaches to leadership and to recognize how that theory informs and directs the way leadership is practiced, to look at the process of leadership, involving the leader, the followers, the context, and how that process works. To critically evaluate leadership from an academic and popular sources, and then to help you learn to apply those theories and leadership skills and behaviors in ways that are effective. And in particular, we will evaluate and look over human organizations and some of the leadership challenges. And by human organizations, we mean families or places you work or places you volunteer. And we will evaluate the process of leadership and its strengths and weaknesses based upon the theories and behaviors and skills that we learn. So those are the key objectives, and our aim is that as a result of this class, you would not only understand some of the major theoretical approaches to leadership, but you would understand how to analyze human organizations and human systems of leadership and recognize the strengths and weaknesses and the kinds of leadership that they are practicing. So as we break down the course, the assignments, 2/3 of it are individual work and 1/3 of it is group work. Each week there are readings and videos for you to read and watch, and there'll be quizzes, and then there'll be weekly discussions. Each unit has a reflection on it at the end of the unit. And then you are also filling out a theory matrix for each unit, and that is how that theory works given the process. And there's a video that explains how the theory matrix works. At the end of the term, you have a final concept map of all the theories together, plus there is a midterm case study and a finals case study. So those are described here in the syllabus, and then the schedule is attached here, and you can see this is a fast course, and so we are going to do 2 units per week, or 16 units of theory and leadership. There'll be 1 unit that is every Monday through Wednesday, and then another one Thursday through Sunday. In the Monday through Wednesday units, your quizzes on the reading will be Tuesday along with your first post, and then Wednesday you'll have a post where you interact with other students and a reflection to close out the unit. Then Thursday through Sunday, those quizzes and first posts will be due Friday, and then your interactive posts and reflection will be due Sunday. So I'm going to hop over to modules on Canvas, and you can see if you click on the module page, here's the course overview. There is a welcome to the course. There's a weekly wrap, which I will click on here. This gives you a weekly schedule. Now, there's 8 weeks, but there's actually 16 units. So we will do 2 weeks per week. And here's the schedule Monday through Wednesday and Thursday through Sunday. And you can see, again, the quiz and your first post will be due Tuesday. Then your response post and reflection Wednesday. Same here, post and quiz Friday, and then your response post and reflection Sunday. It is really critical that you read through the discussion posts and the response post instructions and rubric so you know exactly what's expected in those. Also, the reflections for each unit. so that you know, and the rubrics, so you know what's expected with those. Here is the matrix that you'll fill out for each theory, and here is instructions. You click on this, plus an example of one, plus a video for how to do it. Each unit, here's the individual unit, and then here's our trait approach, skills approach, behavior approach. Each one of these units is on modules, and everything there that you need, the readings, the quiz, the reflections, the discussion, it's all there for each unit, all posted, so you can take a look and scan through it. So again, what is important is that you regularly participate in the course, in the discussions, and do the assignments and keep up. It goes busy in summer school, but I think you will find you're learning quite a bit about leadership theory and also how to apply that to organizations. So going back to the syllabus, this has my contact info on the front of it. There's my email, jlee80@unl.edu, my cell phone. I text regularly. We have a TA, Madeline Mohat. Here is her email and then her cell phone to text. And we try to answer questions quickly if you have them. So you can hop onto Canvas and look things over. The course is live, and we will be ready to go on Monday. And if you have any questions, please ask. Otherwise, I look forward to the summer course with you, and we'll see you online. Thank you.